Welcome back to the CoCo Finance Channel. Today, we're delving deep into a topic that seamlessly bridges the worlds of health and finance. The act of cooking and eating at home, often seen as a simple daily routine, can have profound implications on both our well-being and our wallets. Let's unpack the numerous advantages that come with embracing the home-cooked lifestyle. Nutritional control. Home cooking provides unparalleled control over ingredients. This means opting for heart-healthy oils, whole grains over refined ones, and incorporating a diverse range of vegetables, ensuring a balanced intake of essential nutrients. Portion control. While restaurants often serve portions that can easily feed two, at home, it's possible to measure out and serve portions that align perfectly with dietary needs, preventing unintentional overeating and the health issues it can bring. Reduce preservatives and additives. Many restaurant dishes and processed foods are laden with artificial ingredients that can have long-term health implications. Cooking at home emphasizes fresh, natural, and when possible, organic ingredients, reducing the intake of these unwanted additives. Dietary restrictions. Home cooking is a boon for those with specific dietary needs. Whether it's gluten-free, low-sodium, vegan, or any other requirement, meals can be tailored to fit these needs, ensuring both safety and satisfaction. Hygiene and safety. Knowing the source of each ingredient and having control over the cleanliness of the cooking environment ensures a higher standard of food safety, reducing the risk of foodborne illnesses. Cost savings. The allure of dining out or grabbing a quick takeaway is undeniable, but these costs, when accumulated, can take a significant toll on monthly budgets. In contrast, home-cooked meals, especially when planned well, can lead to substantial savings. Avoid hidden costs. Dining out isn't just about the price of the dish. Service charges, tips, beverages, and even the cost of commuting to a restaurant can inflate the overall expenditure. At home, these additional costs are eliminated. Less food waste. With proper meal planning, grocery shopping can be optimized to buy just what's needed. This, combined with creative use of leftovers, ensures minimal waste, maximizing the value derived from every dollar spent on groceries. Invest in quality. The consistent savings from reduced dining out can be redirected. This means the ability to invest in higher quality ingredients, be it organic produce, gourmet spices, or even premium kitchen equipment that can elevate the cooking experience. Long-term savings. Investing in nutritious, balanced meals now can lead to a healthier future, potentially reducing medical expenses related to diet-induced health issues. Additional benefits. Skill development. The journey of home cooking is also one of learning and discovery. With each dish prepared, culinary skills are refined, leading to the mastery of various cuisines and techniques, turning the kitchen into a playground of flavors. Family time. The act of cooking and dining together isn't just about food. It's a bonding ritual, an opportunity for families to come together, share stories, and create memories that last a lifetime. Customization. The beauty of home cooking lies in its flexibility. Whether it's a craving for extra spice, a tangy twist, or a fusion of flavors, the kitchen offers the freedom to experiment and cater to the most specific of tastes. To wrap things up, the kitchen, often the heart of a home, offers benefits that extend beyond just satiating hunger. It's a space of nourishment, creativity, and savings. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, embracing home-cooked meals can be a step towards a healthier, wealthier future. If this resonates with you, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Here's to making informed choices, both in finance and in food. Until next time.